In this video, we are going to see how you can move and copy an Excel worksheet within an Excel workbook and also to another Excel workbook. So let's go ahead and have a look. All right, so here we are in a monthly budget example that we have been using in this video series, and we have currently one worksheet available over here. So let's say you have more than one worksheet. So just to replicate that, let me just add some worksheets over here. Okay, so we have more than one worksheets over here. And let's say if we want to reorder these worksheets. So for example, sheet number 12 should come before sheet number 13, right? So in order to move that or reorder these worksheets, what I can do is I can left click on sheet number 12 and I can then move it. And while I'm moving it, you will notice that there is a black inverted triangle which is running around, right? So wherever I want to move it, I just take it over there. So let's say I want to move it before sheet 13. So it should be on the left border of sheet 13, wherever that inverted red triangle is, right? And once I have it there, I can just release the button. The sheet is moved and has been reordered, right? Similarly, I can drag and drop this sheet anywhere and reorder that. So that is moving of the worksheet within the workbook. Now there must be circumstances where instead of moving the worksheet, so for example, if you're doing a monthly budget and you want to make a copy of this and then move it somewhere after 14, let's say, for that what you can do is press the control key on your keyboard and left click on this monthly budget. So with my arrow you see a page with a plus mark. Well, that plus mark denotes that this will create a copy, right, rather than moving. So I will just move this, and again you can see that black inverted triangle which is moving, and I want to move it after 14. So I will just take it over there and then release my buttons over here, and you can see that there's a copy which has been created, right? This monthly budget, this is monthly budget 2. There cannot be two worksheets with the same names. That's why it has inserted 2. So if I just create a copy of this one as well and move it here, then you will see that there's a monthly budget 3, right? So you can move and reorder the worksheets within a workbook and also create copies of that. So now let me just go ahead and delete these which are not required. This is all within this worksheet. Now what if you want to move this monthly budget to another workbook itself? Well, for that what you can do is you can right click on it, and then you will have an option called move or copy, right? So now when you click on that, it will ask you to move this worksheet to which book. Do you want to select this particular monthly budget workbook, or is there any other? So if you have any other workbook which are open currently, it will show that over here, right? Or you can create a new workbook itself. So if you click on new workbook and then say create a copy and click on OK, you will find that a new workbook has been created, book number 1, right? So if you want to create a copy of sheet 12, let's say, and let's say I want to move or copy, now you will see that there is one more book 1 which is open. So if I select that, it will ask you if you want to move it before particular worksheet or after, or move it to the end. So I can just click on move it to the end and click on OK. And if I go to my book 1, you will see that the copy of monthly budget and sheet 12 has been created over here. So this is how you can move a worksheet within the workbook or to another workbook as well. So why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.